Hello students, welcome back once again. This is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am, and today again this video is going to be for class 7th. Yes. And with my students of class 7th, we are doing the revision for chapter number 2 in the course book. That's right. Students, we are doing the revision for chapter The Beauty of Difference, and in the first video we have started with the story where we discussed the main character, who is Shireen. Shireen used to live in Tehran with her parents, but now she is moving to England with her aunt, where she is going to live with the other part of the family. Why does this happen? What happens? We all have discussed this in the previous video lesson. We discussed that there were some few bomb attacks in her Tehran city, because of which her parents decided that it is best for the safety of the little girl Shireen that she moves to London and live with her other family, so that she is safe there and able to complete her education. Earlier Shireen was very upset, she didn't want to go, but then later she agrees and she moves on. Today we are going to continue with the remaining part of the story. But before we do that, what are you going to do? Can you tell me? You are going to like this video. Click on the like button. Then you are going to share this video. All the students of 7th class who are in contact with each other, make sure that you like this video and you share it with other classmates and other friends so that they can also watch it. And you have to become the subscriber of my channel. Beta, as soon as you become a subscriber, so as soon as I will update the video, you will get it immediately. So make sure you and all your classmates and all your friends are my subscribers, and you keep on liking the video every time you watch it. And if you have any problem, any confusion, anything that you want to say to me, what are you going to do? You are going to write your name, class and section in the comment box and leave your question. Okay, if you want to ask anything, if you want to tell me anything, you have to write it in the comment section of this video with your name, class and section. And in today's video, again in the description box I have attached a link. In that link I have given you some key points based on today's discussion, which you will read, learn and note down in your registers. You will put the heading chapter number 2 and you will write down the key points, and then I have given you 2 questions based on today's video lesson, which you will do yourself. And if you face any problem, you will leave that question in the comment section for me. Okay, now let's come to the continued part of the story. What happens is, now Shireen is on her way. You know that she was taking a flight to London with her auntie, with her aunt, and now in the flight, during the flight, she starts imagining how her life would be in London. She starts thinking of a beautiful developed city. She starts thinking of the tall buildings she would see there, the beautiful weather she will see there, the lovely people, the new culture, the new language. Everything was exciting her. Shireen was dreaming when she was during her flight time. She was thinking about all these things. But as soon as Shireen and her aunt reached the London airport and they dropped down there, what she saw? She observed that the environment was completely different than what she expected. She was expecting a sunny morning, a beautiful day, lots of beautiful buildings, tall buildings and lots of new things. But what she saw, it was a rainy day, it was a windy day, the atmosphere was very grey. So that upset her. She got upset when she saw all of it. Then, you know, one thing happened, and that thing completely affected her. It made her upset. You know what that was? What happened was, when Shireen and her aunt were at the airport and they were waiting for a taxi, there was a little girl on the side. There was a little girl with her mother. She looked at Shireen and she started laughing. Why do you think she was laughing? She looked at Shireen and she started laughing because she saw that Shireen was wearing a chadar on her head. Now what is that chadar? Okay, now beta, you know that Shireen came from a Muslim country, and you must have observed in your society, in your movies, around you, anywhere in the market, that mostly Muslim women, they wear a cloth around their head to cover this part, which is commonly known as hijab. So that is what Shireen was also wearing. Shireen belonged to a Muslim community. She was living in Tehran, which is a Muslim country. So from there she came. So she was wearing her chadar, or you can say in English veil. In English the word is veil, V-E-I-L, veil. Okay, she was wearing that hijab. So the little girl who did not know anything about Shireen's culture and Shireen's dressing sense, she looked at Shireen and she started laughing. She asked her mother. She was standing, that little girl was standing with her mother. She asked her, why do you think this lady, this girl is wearing this cloth on her head, this chadar on her head? So her mother pointed out, she said, no beta, don't ask like this, it is very rude. So they went off. But Shireen heard her conversation and she was like, I wish I could give answer to that girl. I wish I could tell her that this is part of my culture. This chadar that I'm wearing over my head, this is part of my culture. That is why I'm wearing it. It's nothing new. Back home in Tehran, everybody, all my friends, all the mothers, all the grandmothers, everybody wore this hijab and it was very common. It was not a big deal. But now she was in a whole new different world. She was in London. She was in England. So there, it was a new thing for people to see and for her to see that everybody was looking at her. Then finally her aunt got the taxi. They sat inside the taxi. And you know what? Another thing happened. What happened was that Shireen was feeling very awkward with the way that the taxi driver was talking with her aunt. The language, the pronunciation of the taxi driver was very different. Shireen thought, he doesn't speak English like me. Back home, all of us, we knew how to speak in English in our school, but he doesn't speak English like us. He is speaking English, but there is something different about his English. Like for example, we say the word all right. Correct? We say all right. But his pronunciation was all white. That's how he was pronouncing. He was saying all white. So Shireen was feeling very confused. She was like, why is this taxi driver speaking like this? It was somewhat funny to her. She felt that the taxi driver's pronunciation of that word all right was very funny. She thought in her mind that he is a funny man. He's speaking like this, maybe to joke or something. But what she didn't realize was that when you go to a different place, the language changes. Isn't it, beta? In fact, in India, you and I, we are all in India. In India, we have so many different cultures. And in every different culture, the dressing style, the language, the way of lifestyle, the eating dishes, items, everything becomes different. Isn't it? You go to a different state and you observe different things. When you go to Punjab, you will see different kind of lifestyle. When you will go to Bengal, you will observe different kind of lifestyle. When you will go to Assam, you will observe a completely different lifestyle. So this is what Shireen was also going through. Shireen went from one place to another. Those two places were completely different in their culture, in their lifestyle, in their language. Even though he was speaking in English, but his English was different than the English of Shireen. That is why she kind of thought it was funny and she was also feeling confused. So in this part of the story, what did we realize? We realized that we understood that Shireen's dressing sense and Shireen's language, both were different from the place now she was there in London. They were different, and this difference is what this chapter is all about, right? The title of the story is Beauty of Difference. We have to discuss the differences in culture and what is the beauty, what is the goodness in this difference. Even though different cultures have different practices, but still everyone has its own unique beauty. This is what we are going to discuss in the next part of the video. This chapter, I'm going to make another video on this, so keep watching. I hope today's part you have understood. In today's part we have discussed that Shireen and her aunt reached London, and at the airport there was a little girl who looked at Shireen's chadar, her hijab, and made fun of her. So Shireen got confused that why she is making fun of her, my dressing sense. Then Shireen observed the pronunciation of English of that taxi driver, and then she thought that he was being funny, because she didn't realize that in London the pronunciation of words in English is completely different than her own country. Okay, now in this part of the story, she settles down in her new family, new house. She starts going to school. For the first week in London, she was feeling very awkward. She was not able to get used to get comfortable with the weather of the city. So all these problems were there in the beginning. And one more thing, one very important thing. Earlier, she was imagining in her mind that she would go to London and she would meet the Queen. She would meet the Queen and maybe go visit her palace, have some tea with her. Shireen was a little girl. She was just a school-going girl. So it was not easy for her to understand that what is the level of a queen. So in her mind, she was imagining that she would go to London, she will visit the house of the queen, the palace of the queen, and have tea with her. But of course, it was not going to be possible, right? Nobody can just like that go to the palace of queen without permission and have tea with her. So that was also something funny that happened with her, a funny realization she had. Now students, I have a question for all of you. What do you know about the Queen of England? Now I request all of you that today in today's video in the comment section, everyone is going to answer this. What do you know about the Queen of England? Who is the present Queen of England? What is her name? This question I want you all to answer in the comment section today. Okay students, that's it for today. Again in the next video we will continue with this chapter, and again you have to do the questions which are given in the description box. Okay students, bye bye, take care. Again this video is for class 7 and you have to keep on like, share, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.